Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera to all my beloveds from one student. Alright, today we have a biology class and for today's lesson we are going to learn about cell organization. Okay, cell organizations in multicellular organisms. Okay, there are 5 levels of organizations. Okay, from the smallest is a cell, followed by a tissue, organ, system, and also organism. Example of organism is like human and also plant. Okay, this is examples of plant cells organizations in plant. I take examples of sunflower. Okay, the sunflower consists of a few organs. Example is like leaf, flower, stem, and also root. Okay, organs like leaf, for example, is made up from a different tissues. For example, palisade mesophyll cell. Example of a few tissues, and this tissue is made up from a different type of cell. Okay, for example, palisade mesophyll cell. And then we have spongy mesophyll cell. All these cells work together to form tissues, and then inside the cells specifically we look at the plant cell. Inside of the plant cell there is a organelle. Okay, it's like organelle example is like chloroplast. Okay, so here is the organizations of plant organism. Okay, next, what is cells? What is tissue? Okay, cells are the building block of life ataupun basic unit of life because all living thing needs a cell. All living thing must have a cell. A group of similar cell, for example, muscle cell, okay, the group of the cell, okay, will work together. A few of these cell work together to form a tissue. For example, smooth muscles tissue. Okay, organ is made up from a different tissues working together. Okay, different tissue will work together to form organ. For example, stomach is an organ that is made up from a smooth muscle tissue and then epithelial tissue. Okay, so these tissues will form organs, work together to form organ, and different organ will work together to form a system. For example, digestive system. Sistem pencernaan consists of a stomach, consists of esophagus, consists of small intestine, large intestine. So all these organ work to form a digestive system. Okay, now kita akan tengok example of a system in our body. Sebenarnya banyak sistem dalam badan kita yang bekerjasama antara satu sama lain. If one system is damaged, so it will affect our body. Okay, the first system is a reproductive system. Sistem pembiakan. Reproductive system consists two types, which are female reproductive system and male reproductive system. Okay, the function of reproductive system is to produce reproductive cell. So we have two types of reproductive cell, which are sperm and also ovum ataupun egg cell. The sperm, okay, or male gamete is produced by a testis. Male have a two testes, whereas ovum is produced by a structure called ovary. So female have two ovary. Okay, it will produce the reproductive cell, which are sperm, and also ovum, which are very important for producing offspring. Okay, to continue a generations. Okay. Next is a digestive system, sistem pencernaan. Okay, digestive system is very important to digest food ataupun break down food yang kita makan into a nutrients or into a simpler substance so that the substance will be absorbed into the blood. Why the substance need to be absorbed into the blood? Because the blood will carry the simpler substance into the cells throughout our body so that the cell will utilize or will use the nutrient for body development. Okay, Digestive system consists of a mouth, organ yang terlibat is like a mouth, esophagus, okay, stomach work as a bag, okay, stomach, and then small intestine, then large intestine, okay, anus, and so on. Okay, next, respiratory system pernafasan. Okay, system pernafasan is very important to enable gases exchange. It consists of a nose, consists of a structure trachea, okay, ataupun kita panggil windpipe. Okay, and then this is a bronchus. Okay, the bronchus have cabang, we call that bronchiole. And then this one, yang ni structure dia ni adalah alveolus. Okay, alveolus structure. So alveolus, dekat alveolus, kalau kita tengok in detail, inside of the alveolus structure, there is a blood vessel. So this is a blood. This is alveolus. Okay, so the gases exchange occur between the blood and also between the alveolus. So from the alveolus, okay, the oxygen will move into the blood. At the same time, the carbon dioxide will move from the blood into the alveolus. Alright. Next, skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system is very important to support our body, to protect internal organ, and also importance for a movement. Okay, skeletal system consists of bone, skull, and so on. Okay, next, muscular system. Muscular system is very important to allow body movement. Okay, muscular system consists of a muscle, and the muscles able to contract and able to relax. And for your information, muscle cell have a lot of mitochondria in order to generate energy for doing respiration and also for movement. Okay, blood circulatory system is also known as a transport system. Transport system is very important to transport liquid. Examples like water, blood, plasma membrane, and many more. Okay, it will transport around the body. It consists of the heart. Okay, our heart work as a pump. Okay, to pump the blood throughout the body. And it also consists of the blood vessel. Saluran darah. Saluran darah ada 3 jenis, which are artery, capillary, and also vein. Okay. Next, nervous system. System saraf is important to transmit nerve impulse or electrical signal. Okay, nervous system consists of brain, okay, and also spinal cord. The structure, spinal cord, and also peripheral nerve. Okay, sistem saraf sangat penting to give us response. Okay, for example, katakanlah kita terpegang objek yang panas. Macam mana awak boleh angkat tangan awak daripada objek yang panas? So this involve the transmission of nerve impulse. Bila kita pegang objek yang panas, the receptor located at our skin will detect and it will convert the stimulus, okay, into a nerve impulse. The nerve impulse will be carried by a nerve cell ataupun neuron to the brain. So what the brain will do, the brain will interpret the informations and give a response. So automatically awak akan angkat tangan awak daripada objek yang panas. So nervous system is very important to protect ourselves. So we have 2 type of nervous system, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. You will learn in the next level. Okay, during Form 4 you will learn in detail about nervous system. Okay, next is lymphatic system. Okay, lymphatic system is very important to defend our body against disease. Okay, because in the lymphatic system we have a lymph node. Okay, the lymph nodes will produce a lymphocyte. It will produce a lymphocyte. Lymphocyte ni adalah sejenis white blood cell, sel darah putih yang akan produce antibodies. Okay, the antibody will fight against pathogen yang menyebabkan penyakit. Okay, dia akan fight pathogen. Pathogen tu adalah sejenis microorganism yang akan masuk ke dalam badan kita, dia akan merebak, dia akan menyebabkan disease. Okay, next is excretory system. Okay, excretory system consists of a kidney. Okay, kidney act as a filter, penapis, and then a bladder. Okay, the function is to remove or eliminate waste substance ataupun a toxic substance. Example is excess salt, urea, water. It will be eliminated through urine. Okay, next, endocrine system. Endocrine system is very important as this system will produce hormone. Okay, example example of organ adalah pancreas. Okay, thyroid gland, pituitary gland located at the brain. Pituitary gland, all these structure will produce hormone. Okay, example pancreas. Pancreas will produce hormone insulin. I'm sure everyone has been familiar with the word insulin kan. So setengah orang yang mengidapi diabetes, okay, doktor akan inject dia dengan insulin so that the glucose concentration in the body ataupun sugar level in the body will be reduced. Okay, bila kita cucuk insulin, mengurangkan kadar gula dalam darah. Okay, next, last system is the integumentary system. Integumentary system work as a barrier, okay, to protect the body against invasions of pathogens. It consists of a skin, sweat gland, nails dan sebagainya. Okay, sebab kita punya skin is very tight, ketat. So tak ada langsung ruang for pathogens to enter our body. Okay, tapi pathogens boleh enter our body kalau kita ada luka pun. That is the reason why bila kita luka, automatically kita ada satu mechanism to stop the bleeding. With our blood clotting mechanism that you will learn in the next level juga. Okay, yang menyebabkan darah akan beku dan mengurangkan pengaliran darah. So the blood clotting mechanism akan produce a certain agent so that it will cover the wound. Okay, so that this will prevent the entry of the pathogen into the skin, into the body. Into the body. It also protects internal tissues. Okay, we have done with the system. Now we take a look at the antagonistic muscle. Kita akan tengok muscle dekat bahagian elbow. Okay, antagonistic muscles are the muscles that work in opposite way. For example, kita ada otot ni, otot apa kat atas ni kita panggil otot ni, nama dia bicep. Okay, ni kat kita punya tangan ya. Kat otot bawah ni kita panggil tricep. Ni tricep. Okay, bila awak straightkan tangan, okay, kita straightkan kita punya tangan, what happen? The tricep will contract and the bicep will relax. That is what we call antagonistically. One will contract, another one will relax. However, bila kita bengkokkan tangan, elbow, bend your hands, what happen? The bicep will contract and the tricep will relax. Okay, so that is what we call the muscles that work antagonistically. Okay, one will contract, another one will relax. Okay, kita tengok structure dekat bahagian elbow dengan lebih detail. Okay, so in the elbow we have two muscle which are bicep and also tricep. Okay, kemudian kita ada structure cartilage. Sorry, kita start dengan bone. Kita ada bone, tulang. Contoh tulang ni adalah ulna dengan radius. Ulna kat atas, radius kat bawah. Okay, tulang. Kemudian awak kena tahu structure yang penting iaitu cartilage. Okay, cartilage is also known as tulang rawan. Okay, cartilage menghubungkan antara tulang dan tulang. Okay, so dia menghubungkan antara tulang dan tulang. Connect is
is made up from a tissues that connect between bone and bone. Okay, di antara cartilage ini adalah synovial membrane. Okay, dalam synovial membrane ada synovial fluid yang kita panggil pelincir ataupun cecair. Okay, synovial fluid is very important to reduce friction. Okay, to reduce frictions. What happen bila synovial fluid ni dia sebenarnya dia akan semakin berkurangan. Okay, semakin berkurangan. So bila synovial fluid berkurangan, dia akan menyebabkan masalah kepada cartilage. Cartilage akan jadi nipis. Bila cartilage jadi nipis, ni akan meningkatkan increase friction. Meningkatkan geseran antara tulang. So dia akan menyebabkan masalah seperti osteoarthritis. The most arthritis problem faced by a people. Osteoarthritis because of damage in the cartilage. Okay, so the synovial fluid is very important. Okay, and then structure yang seterusnya adalah structure ligament. Okay, ligament duduk di antara joint. Okay, dia duduk dekat sendi lah. Sendi ni adalah structure between the bone. Is a structure between the bone and in between the joint there is a ligament. Okay, ligament. Okay, kemudian kita ada tendon. Tendon ni adalah structure yang menghubungkan antara bone and also muscle. Ni structure ni tendon. Okay, yang menghubungkan antara muscle, bicep dengan bone. Okay, so that is a tendon. Okay, that is all that you must know about elbow structure. Okay, so that is all for today's lesson. I really hope that you understand well. If you have any question, do ask me personally, or you can ask me in the group. Okay, please complete the task given. Okay, don't forget to complete the quizzes. Okay, the link I will give later. And then complete the crossword puzzle that I will give you later. And also complete your CAS module regarding this chapter. Okay, so that is all for today. Stay safe, stay at home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam